journey come all the way from up north to be with me today. Yeah, last night I sit up and do those fufu. First time for me to do those style of fufu, but I really done it. It was beautiful to have you with me. I don't have anything for you. I just my love and appreciate who you turn out to be. Be single until, like what your mom said, until she's gone. Then you can get down. No, don't give me anything. Just stay like that. So we can be freely able to go to them when they want to.
You're right. I'm with you, Sister Melly.
Yeah, be free. Grow up to be humble. Look after your mom like your the Reverend